What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I'm out having a barbecue. It's nice, it's almost 30 degrees out here, so it's really nice to see. But it looks like Bitcoin unfortunately never really broke out. At the time when we made the video it had, but with any EMA, it doesn't matter if it's support or resistance, you're going to get a reaction from it. So right now we smacked the 69 EMA and we closed below the ascending triangles neckline basically, and so it means that we're going to come and try and test this 20 EMA. We need to hold this 20 EMA, so expect a reaction from here. Why? Because it's the golden pocket, and again, we should have never broken above this, so it's actually positive that we're actually currently above this. What should have happened here? You had this impulse down, you come back up to the golden pocket, and you're meant to lose this low, guys. You're meant to come down lower. Did you do that? No. What did you do? You created the reversal wave by breaking above this golden pocket and confirming it as support right there. I told you guys, enter a buy trade over here. If you haven't already, I'd move my stop loss to entry, so even if this trade goes wrong, if you didn't take profits already, I told you guys the trade could just go up to here, but if you took it all the way up to there, that's absolutely amazing. Unfortunately, at the moment, we haven't even validated this technical target to 26.7k, 26.6k. We haven't validated that target yet because unfortunately we didn't close above the neckline. If you appreciate me trying to look out for you and the passion that I put into the videos, please of course like, subscribe and comment. And yeah, we're trying to hit over 100 likes on this video, and we're trying to hit 3.4k subs as soon as possible, so let's try push for that, because I know a lot of you are not subscribed as of yet. And if we're looking for a level that we don't want to lose, it's this level right here. You don't want to lose this level. That's going to basically tell me that we're going to come back to this potential neckline of this M pattern over here, this double top that all the bears were talking about. Remember, I also spoke about it on the channel because we're always unbiased on this channel. We just look at it both ways. We don't really care what happens on the chart. I'm just going to tell you how it is. So of course, if we ever see lower lows, if we ever do break this low, I'm going to tell you, we're now going to try and attack this. And if we lose this, it's guaranteed that we'll lose the 17k low. So if I ever see that, I will let you guys know. But I'm not seeing that at the moment, so for now all I'm seeing is higher highs and higher lows. The only thing at the moment is from here, all we can say is that yes, it is actually lower than this, and we haven't seen this just yet on Bitcoin. We keep seeing higher highs, so we want to see us hold this low to make this higher high. Basically, we want to break this 24.6k area to see a higher high, and that would basically of course validate this 1618 target. We want to see a daily close above 23.8k. We almost had that, we closed under it, and that's why we're coming back down to this 20 over here. Hopefully we can get this reaction and break through it like that. But if of course we fall through this 20, we're going to try and attack this level 22.4k. We don't want to lose 22.4k, the golden pocket, because if so, we're coming back down to the neckline. And just because you're coming back down to there, it doesn't mean it is actually a double top. You need to break the neckline. Once you break the neckline, then I'll tell you, yes, this is actually a double top. Until you break this neckline, it's not a double top. Even if you come down, and yes, that would be one top, that would be two top, or you could say this is one top, this is a second top, whatever you want to say. There's a little double top here, so if we lose that, that small double top validates. I'll clear this up so you can actually see that much better. So over here, one top, neckline, second top here. If you break this neckline, 22.4k, we're going to come back down to this low over here. Then that would validate a much larger double top, which would come down much lower. So I'll get you the target for that now. But just because if we do come down to here, doesn't mean that this is going to play out and we go down lower. We can just find support, because you need to understand, if we obviously we found support here, we've come up, right? And we've come down and potentially made this lower high right now, right? So that means we should come down if we lose this neckline, correct? And we could find support here because this is a neckline. Doesn't mean that you're going to break it and validate this M. I want to show you how this could actually be a double bottom, because it's all about if we hold this neckline over here, because this is one bottom. You've come up, formed the second neckline that you failed to break again, and you could come down and find support. And yes, can you see here, inside here, that's an M pattern, but it could be an M pattern to come down and form some sort of double bottom like this. Can you see that? That's why I've drawn this pretend downward movement, because all a double bottom is somewhere where it's come into support twice. Everyone's confused. It has to be a W. It has to be a W. Yes, but if you don't see a W, I draw this pretend bit, come up, that's your neckline. You fail to break it again, so we're coming back down. And this is the previous golden pocket here. So that's why I'm telling you guys, if we're above 22, 20.2k, then we're going to continue up. And so we shouldn't expect any downside. So as long as we're above 20.2k, we should be bullish. And if we want 100% confirmation we're going to lose this 17k low, we need to lose 18.6k right there. So if you've appreciated everything I've done for you today and looked out for you and appreciate all the passion I put into my videos and actually doing the video while I'm doing a barbecue, then please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.